This is my new uniform, and this is the cart we are taking. That's Jack, that's my instructor, looking that side, Rupi. Hi Rupi.
Yes. So this is an adventure sport. We need to do some workout before the game.
Sure,
Yeah?
sure.
Yeah, basically
Yeah.
we're gonna pull the cart to the beach.
Okay,
Then we're gonna form a line from the beach to the boat.
okay,
We're gonna form a chain,
okay.
pass all the equipment.
Sure.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun.
Ready?
I'll push.
So we'll take everything, keep it there, boat comes, and load it to boat.
We are at the beach now. You can see our equipments are here, waiting for the boat. Then we'll go for diving. Our boat is here, and we are carrying this oxygen tank. It's gonna be fun.
To 30 minutes because no people. Lots of water to drink, snacks in the boat. That's the first aid kit. Also make sure you balance the boat throughout the time.
Right.
If you see dolphins, just stay like wherever you're sitting, don't go to the side. We will be one among the dolphins afterwards.
Okay.
Follow the instruction, whatever the boat captain gives you.
Okay.
Cool?
Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Where do you jump from?
Slowly go this side and then
Go here.
gently glide in.
Go here. Go there, do the gent side.
Hold your mask when you're jumping in, okay?
Do the gent side. Okay, so Siddharth,
Yeah.
cool. You're going to do an entry called gent side entry.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
back roll and
back roll entry.
Okay.
Okay, so where you'll be holding your regulator in one hand, mask in your finger. Okay, other hand goes to your weight belt. And so one of us will add in some air insert in jacket so that once you go in the water, you'll start floating.
Okay.
So cross your leg, wiggle back like this.
Okay.
Put your regulator in the mouth, hold the mask in your fingers, other hand goes here, and just fall back. Landed on you.
very close.
Just make sure down below you. Oh, water is so cold today.
4 degrees, 5 degrees?
-3 to freezing.
That reminds me of Titanic.
It's not that cold, man. I'll burn it first.
What's my next exercise?
Wiggle a little behind. Don't worry, you won't fall. Yeah, little bit. That's it. Cross your ankles. Cross your ankles.
Ready? Ready, sir? 3, 2, 1, go! You ready? You are ready at the mask. What is it?
Look up at the sky. Excellent. Are you okay? Stop. Calm down. Get a heart rate. Calm down. Yeah. Put your hands on.
I just came out of water after almost 45 to 50 minutes. It was amazing. First time underwater. I have no words how to explain this. Those fishes, I was swimming with them. Lifetime experience, I must say. I don't know, I mean, I don't know if I have to laugh or cry. I mean, different emotion right now. Most of the fishes were so beautiful. Initially, I had some hiccups. Once they throw me in the water, I was like, oh my god. I couldn't find any place to put my legs. I was losing breath there. Then suddenly, I got some courage. My trainer asked me to calm down on the surface first. Then slowly she pulled me down, holding the cylinder at my back. It's just lovely. I'll take nice videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share it with your friends, and you can come to this place. This is KAPU near Udupi. You can come to Mangalore by flight or train, and from Mangalore you can just come here. It's less than 40-50 kilometers. And you can see those small islands kind of. So corals are there a lot. It's just lovely. Thank you.